apologize about the lighting. Oh, my bun looks so crooked. However, today is Friday. It doesn't feel like a Friday to me. It feels like the weekend. Well, technically it is the weekend, but it feels like a Saturday. But anyhow, today is Friday, February 12th. And let me tell y'all, the weather here in Virginia is just all over the place. So we were supposed to have like a snowstorm, or it was supposed to have snowed, or whatever the case may be. But it's just a bunch of ice. So being that we were looking forward to a snowstorm or a whole bunch of snow, or whatever the case may be, they closed schools down and a whole bunch of like businesses or whatever. So Naja didn't go to school today, and she was supposed to go to work today at 4. It is 3:34. We was actually on the way to take her to work, and her manager called saying that they were closing early, so she didn't have to come. So here we are, back at home, and I just going in the house to change her clothes, and we are going to run to the mall and just do some little running around, because it's not as bad as we actually thought it was going to be. Again, we thought it was going to be like a snowstorm, so we thought we was going to be stuck in the house, whatever the case may be, but that is not the case. It is icy out here though, so whatever we do, I want to do it early, because one, your girl does not like driving in inclement weather. 2, I'm scared to drive in that kind of weather. And 3, it is supposed to actually start snowing tonight. So I am not trying to be out here in messy weather, because I just think about that life. But again, now she's in the house changing her clothes. When she get back in the car, we are supposed to be running to the mall. When outside of that, I don't know what else we'll be doing, but I will be taking you guys with me, so stay tuned. So y'all, we got to change of plans, a slight change of plans. We did not make it to the mall. However, my homegirl just started doing nails, and she wanted me to be one of her nail models, and your girl is due for a fill-in. So we are here. I am about to go in and let her do my nails. I'm gonna ask her if it's okay to vlog so I can show y'all. And y'all, let me tell y'all, where I am in Richmond now, it is freaking snow on the ground. Like, it's real life snow on the ground. And if girl don't have a coat, don't ask how this happened, why this happened, or what I was thinking. But I real life don't have a coat with me, y'all. Why I can't see? What are you filming? I don't know. Yeah. Your nail tech ain't this focused. Y'all, I feel like I'm about to do or tell a scary story. Like, today is February 13th. And I told y'all it's supposed to be like a cute little snowstorm or ice storm or whatever here in Virginia. Tell me why all our lights just went out. Sis, I thought I was winning. Like everybody else I've been talking about their lights going out, the power going out. I was seeing it on the news all day. It is freaking almost 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock in the evening. We done had lights all day long, y'all. We done had lights all day. And excuse me how I look. I've been in the house today all day, haven't went out. I'm comfortable, but anyhow, that's besides the point. I've been looking at the news all day, y'all, and it's showing how everybody's lights is going out and all this like winter storm, snow type action is going on. Sis, our power just went out. Our freaking power just went out. And to top it off, I just sent Boo to the seafood store to get some crabs. So I am definitely going to vlog a little to show you guys how we make this work, because we about to be eating crabs. Yes, crabs, not crab legs, crabs in the dark, candlelight, the day before Valentine's. Y'all, this is crazy. The freaking lights is going out. We about to have to run and get a generator in real life. Like, the lights is going out, y'all.
Right, y'all.
It's so dark.
Pick the light, look.
Not you just saying hit the light.
So y'all, as y'all see, I'm sorry. We did end up having to go get a generator. And yeah, the struggle is real. So we got a generator. But let me tell y'all the real tea. We didn't get this generator to the day. So y'all know what that means.
All night in the dark.
So we got wood for the fireplace. And not to mention, this is my first time lighting this fireplace, so I had to YouTube how to properly light this. So what I was told on YouTube, and if y'all know something different, drop it in the comments, but what I was told on YouTube was to twist up paper, which is what we're doing. If y'all can see in there, we twisted up some paper, put it under the cute little rack that holds the wood or the logs. Put the logs on top of that and light the paper. So let's see if YouTube University taught me right.
Well, I know what McDonald's taught me right.
light for y'all to see it, the flames as much, but y'all get the gist. Yeah.
I still don't have any power at my house, so I am doing this recording here strictly off of my ring light. However, the show must go on for my website, so I just want to just check in with y'all and show y'all before I get these packaged up that I received a few orders that was ready to be fulfilled on my website. But am I tripping, or do y'all see that from my vendor how I was sent this earring here, that it is not quite appealing to the eye? So I will not be sending my customer this pair of earrings. However, I have communicated with my vendor, and I do have another pair on the way to get out to my customer, even though it has taken forever and a day's time to even get this order to me, because USPS has been like having everything on hold and ridiculous. I have been having customers email me asking like, what is going on? Am I ever gonna get my order? Y'all, I truly apologize. I promise that this shipping has been out of my hands. It is solely USPS. I hadn't received any custom orders, but I have all the orders now. This is one order that I have being shipped out. I think this one is going to California. Then here's another order I have being shipped out. These are kids' earrings, bamboo hoops. Make sure y'all shop Naja's Closet. Here's another set that I have being sent out. It's the necklace and the earrings separate. And then here's another pair of the rainbow kids earrings with a black background being sent out. Y'all, I promise y'all, I have just gotten these orders, and I got a few more that I gotta unpackage and inspect, but I've just gotten these orders, and I promise I am about to inspect and get them shipped out to y'all right now. I appreciate everyone who shops Naja Closet, and for my future supporters or customers that who haven't shopped Naja's Closet yet will plan on, I definitely appreciate y'all. But yes, y'all, orders are in, and I'm getting them shipped out ASAP. Last but not least, y'all, this custom high girl necklace. Y'all, these high girl necklaces is fucking fire. For real, they fire. But anyhow, make sure y'all shop Naja's Closet. Everything will be linked in the description box below. This high girl necklace is it. I definitely have to get me another one ordered before the spring. Anyhow, shop Naja's Closet.